6 by 8 is 48. The answer is 480. 3 by 6 is 18. 3 by 6 is 18. The answer is 198. 5 by 9 is 45. 2 by 9 is 18. The answer is 468. 9 by 6 is 54. 1 by 6 is 06. The answer is 546. 2 by 8 is 16. 1 by 8 is 08. The answer is 168. 8 by 2 is 16. 5 by 2 is 10. The answer is 170. 7 by 7 is 49. 3 by 7 is 21. The answer is 511. 2 by 2 is 4. 5 by 2 is 10. The answer is 50. 9 by 9 is 81. 3 by 9 is 27. The answer is 837. 7 by 9 is 63. 2 by 9 is 18. The answer is 648. 4 by 7 is 28. 9 by 7 is 63. The answer is 343. 1 by 8 is 08. 8 by 8 is 64. The answer is 144. 8 by 9 is 72. 8 by 9 is 72. The answer is 792. 3 by 6 is 18. 2 by 6 is 12. The answer is 192. 3 by 3 is 9. 3 by 3 is 9. The answer is 99.